This is Qbi. When you're looking for a fun and enriching activity for your child, Qbi delivers. It's exciting and lots of fun. The cars and magnetic track blocks make for a great family game. Unleash your creativity with Qbi. It's safe and easy to play with. You can play it on your own or have fun with your friends and family. Qbi is hours of entertainment. Each cube has 6 different kinds of tracks, one on each side. You can build your own racetrack and enjoy over 100 ways to play in an easy-to-assemble set. The only limitation is your imagination. Qbi is designed for kids age 2 and above. Just pull the car back and let go. Kids can choose their favorite fruits and deliver to the supermarket. Or they can push the car to let it race down the track. It can even conquer different types of terrain. You will definitely love it. Your kids will love it even more. Enjoy hours of imaginative playtime and make Qbi part of your family. Qbi, the racetrack that grows with your kids.